Hello programmers, in this video I will explain about what are the rules we need to follow for achieving the runtime polymorphism. So if anyone not watched my previous video means go and check it out. There I explained about what is runtime polymorphism, how we can able to method override in classes, and what about override annotation, and why we will use runtime polymorphism. I already discussed in the previous video. If anyone not watching means go and check it out. In this video we will be check it out what are the rules we need to follow for achieving the runtime polymorphism. Okay, this is the very important topic. Okay, so for that I will be create one class. So class, okay, class f I created. So we need to take one more class, right? Because overriding happen between classes, right? So I will take one more class. So we need two classes will required for us. So I will take class E. So this class contains some methods. I will first say public void m1. So first condition, and now I am performing. First condition is both superclass and subclass must have the same method name. So first I will be follow this rule. Okay, if I not follow means whether we will be check whether we will be achieve or not. So how we can able to override this method in f class? For that we need to, what we need to do is we need to match the relationship. First of all, for classes to classes we need to match the relationship. That means extends, but that means is a relationship, right? So match the relationship. Then what we need to do, we need to override. How? So same method you can create in child class, public void m1. So like this I am created. So can anyone tell me whether this method is properly overridden or not? How we can able to identify means? So I already told right in the last session. So we need to use override annotation. So if you not got any compilation errors means then you properly overridden. So then this method we can say as a in parent class we can say as a that method overridden method, and this child class method we can say as a overriding method. Okay, for suppose if I change this method name, then I can able to override. See, it is clear, right? See, create m11 in super means in parent class we need to create m11, then only we can able to override in child class. That is the meaning. So there one more thing also is there, remove override annotation. If you remove this annotation means then what is the usage? So class f contains one method, that's it. So we not overrided. So first point is clear, right? So method name must be same. See, method name must be same, then only we can able to say that is a properly overridden method. Okay, first point is clear, right? See, method name must be same method name. Second point I will discuss this one. So same parameter list. So I create one more method here, public void m2. So parameters we are discussing, right? So I will be create few parameters, say int I comma int j. So this method won't return anything because this is a void, right? So now my intention is I need to override that thing. So if I manually override means I will make some mistakes like spelling mistakes. For that what I will do, I will be use some shortcuts to override, like alt shift sv. So it will be give options to parent, it will be give parent class methods which method we need to override. My intention is I need to override this method, right? So it will be properly override. See, so alt shift sv, the shortcut for eclipse id is alt shift sv. Okay, so then we properly override it. For suppose if I change here parameters, then what will happen, check here. So if I change parameters, so apart from 2 I will be take one more parameter here, then whether it is properly overridden. See, it is not properly overridden. See, here it is contained method name must be same. First point method name must be same. Then second point I'm telling parameters must be same, parameter must be same. See, same parameter list. See, here also same means here if it has a two parameters means here also must be two. See, if I remove this third parameter, then it will be satisfied. Then one more condition also. See, here data type, check here. For suppose here I have a string data type. For suppose here I have a string, then here also must be string, like then only we can able to say as the same parameter list, right? Same parameter list, then only we can able to achieve runtime polymorphism. This is the second point. Up to now it is clear, right? First point same, method name must be same in both parent class and child class, then only we can say as a we can properly override. How we can able to identify means by using override annotation we can able to identify. For suppose see, here I will be give capital M, then immediately it will be through compilation errors because method name must be not same here, right? I hope you got it right what I'm saying. So 2 points it is clear, right? Parameters also must be same. If you have 2 means here also 2. Then what about that data type also must be same, right? Up to now it is clear. Then I will be discuss about third point. This is a very important about very important regarding with interview point of view. Okay, this point very important. Okay, same return types. Return type means what? Here void is our return type, right? That things. Okay, so for that what I will do is I will create method like this, public, I will take integer, return type now integer, right? Int, I will take method name as a add. So it will accepting two parameters like int I comma int j. So observe very bit carefully. This point is very important for interview point of view. Okay. So what this method will be do? It will be return some value, means addition of the two numbers, right? So same like I will be do I plus j. Now my intention is I'm not satisfying the parent class implementation. Then what is alternate way? In our child class we can override that method, then we can able to implement our own logic, right? Same I will be do, right? Check here public. So apart from int, I will be take string return type. Check whether it will be allow or not. It will take int I comma int j, right? So anyhow string means we need to return string value, right? Here I will be return some message. Okay, like that I will be return. How we can able to check whether it is a properly override or not? So for that we need to use override annotation, right? See override annotation. Still we got some errors. Third point, check third point, same return type, right? Third point, same return type. Okay, I will be remove remaining methods. Okay. See here integer is there, here string is there. Return type must be same, right? But we tried with different return types, then we can able to achieve override runtime polymorphism. No, we can't able to achieve. The thing is same return type. Here if you take int means here also you need to take int, okay? Or else you need to change in parent class. Parent class we won't touch anything, right? So then alternative is child class only we need to change, right? Child class only we need to change. So here what I will do, I will be write my own business logic. So why we are mainly using runtime polymorphism? In child class we will be implement our own business logic. So now I will save. See now I doesn't get any compilation error. See observe third point very bit carefully. Same return type. See remaining condition also it will be matched like same name, same parameters. So 3 points I will be conclude here, right? See method name must be same. Method name must be same. Add. Method name must be same. First point is clear. Then second point is parameters. Parameters must be same. See here we have two parameters. Here also we have two parameters. Those data type also same. So up to now it is clear, right? These two things is this is the name and parameters must be same. Then we need to check one more condition, that is the return type. So here that is the important. See return type here int is there means here also int is there, right? That means same return type need to allow, then only we can able to achieve runtime polymorphism. Up to now 3 points it is clear, right? So up to now 3 points it is clear, like both superclass and subclass must have the same method name and same parameter list and same return type. There is a one more condition for this return type, that is covariant return type. Anyhow, I will be discussing the next video. No need to worry about that thing. So same return type need to allow. Up to now, you remember this thing. Okay. In the next video, I will be discuss about what about the covariant return type. Okay. For achieving the runtime polymorphism, from we can able to give covariant return types also we can able to give. Anyhow I will be explaining the next class. So up to now we need to follow the three rules, means both method name must be same. Here method name must be same and parameter must be same and return type also must be same, and covariant return type also it will be allow. I will be discussing next class. Okay, so check these things. So we can able to say as a overridden method. Okay, in parent is there, right? Parent we can say as a, this is a overridden method and this is the override method. Okay, up to now it is clear, right? Still you have any doubt means let me know in comment section about these three points.